Just a quick no-nonsense video showing you how to clean your resin vat on your printer if you get a failed print. I'm going to pause the print a bit quick just to make sure it is stuck to the plate. I don't know if you can see that, but it hasn't, it has failed. It's failed, so what I'm going to do now is clean the vat, show you how to clean the vat. What we're going to do now, because we got a failed print, we'll go into the tank cleaning function. We'll stop the print first. Go to cleanup. I leave it on 20 seconds. Just get one of these little things you can 3D print. Just put it in the corner, gently push it with your finger, hit start. That will have the UV light exposing for the 20 seconds, which will cure a small layer on the bottom. So you can lift it up, so any debris caught in the bottom will come up when you lift it. One thing I should have done was lifted the Z arm, which I'm going to do now. I'll just do this, otherwise it's going to be in the way. And gently peel this, which will give us the skin, which you can see the parts of the failed print are there. So that's all you need to do if you have a failed print to clear the tank. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it really helps the channel, and please subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer.